It's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for unique glassware, then you are going to love these Art Deco highball glasses.
This set of 6 vintage highball glasses from INSETLAN are really going to elevate your daily drinkware or your bar cart. I am a huge fan of these. They are 14 ounces and they have this beautiful ripple design that harkens back to the Art Deco era, and I am so happy with them. They are nice and thick and a little bit weighty. So they really feel good in your hand when you're drinking a water or a cocktail or anything that you decide to drink. I love how well they were packaged. I didn't have to worry about them being broken on transport to me. And the best thing is they are dishwasher safe. I really feel that these are just so classy and they are going to just make a statement. Whether you're using these as your daily drinkware or you're putting them on a bar cart, you are just going to turn heads when you serve a cocktail or a drink to anyone in these glasses. They are just top notch. And I am such a huge fan of these. They really will elevate the drinkware in your home, and I think they make a perfect gift for someone or just have them for yourselves.
So if you're a big fan of Art Deco and you're looking for a great highball glass to add to your collection, get these. You are going to absolutely love them. And that is my point of view.